In this video, we are going to demonstrate the process of finding out if you've been blocked by someone on Instagram. Let's get started, shall we? Open up your Instagram app and let's begin the journey. Start by tapping on your profile icon, located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on your username in the top left corner. For this demo, we're going to simulate blocking ourselves from another account. To do this, switch to a different account by searching for your own username. Once you've found your account, it's time to block yourself. Yes, you heard that right. This is just for demonstration purposes. Use the three dots at the top right corner. From the menu that pops up, select Block and confirm the block. With the simulated block in place, switch back to your original account. To do this, then at the top left corner, tap on your username to navigate back. Now, here comes the tricky part. Instagram doesn't hand out a master list of all the accounts that have blocked you. They want to avoid negativity and conflicts. However, you can still determine if a specific account has blocked you. To check if someone has blocked you, search directly for their username. Tap Search at the bottom left corner, and then tap Search at the top. Type in the username you're curious about. When you hit search, pay attention to the results. If you see User Not Found, it's a strong indication that you've been blocked. Also, if you find his/her profile with no DP, posts, followers, or any other information, it's a strong indicator that you've been blocked by that account. So while Instagram doesn't provide a comprehensive list of all your blockers, you're equipped with a useful strategy to identify if someone specific has blocked you. If you have any questions about this process, don't hesitate to drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell. We'll be back soon with more helpful videos.